One day, Bunny saw the biggest carrot he had ever seen. Bunny wanted that big carrot all for himself. He pulled and pulled, but the carrot was too big for him to pull out alone. After trying for long, Bunny became tired and was looking very sad. Bunny felt really upset. He wanted the big carrot, but he couldn't get it out by himself. At that time, Bunny saw his friends. Bunny showed them the big carrot. His friends looked at each other and then at Bunny. Bunny's friends helped them pull out the big carrot. Together, they all pulled and pulled. Out came the big carrot. Bunny was so happy. He thanked his friends and shared the big carrot with them. Bunny and his friends ate the carrot and laughed together. Moral: together we achieve more.